11.3, finding the area of rectangles, which is just length times width. If it's 8 by 5, you can see there's 40 squares. So there's your formula. So yeah, just copy, substitute, simplify, attach units. But now when it's area, the units are always squared. And if they don't give you units, you just say units squared. Super important to have the exponent 2 up there, because units times unit is unit squared, or feet times feet is feet squared. So for a square, you can be kind of a wuss and do this. I'd rather you do area equals s squared and go area equals 6 squared, area equals 36 units squared, right? You'll see it when I do it, right? And then a parallelogram is kind of like a rectangle that's just been, scooched, where the angles aren't 90 degrees. But if you cut off this triangle and put it over there, you'll make it into a rectangle. That's why it's just base times height. But I do not like using just this one formula for both. A rectangle is different than a parallelogram, right? So on this, you call it length and width. I like how this book is doing this, but same idea here, right? So anyways, here we go. So number 3, you have a rectangle. I'm not going to jerk back and forth like that. You can look at it and see it. Area equals length times width, so area equals 5.6 times 2, and area equals 11.2 meters squared. Number 6, that's a parallelogram, so area equals base times height, and the base is 5 and the height's 12, so area equals 60 meters squared. Number 9, that's a square. Anyways, it looks like a square. So I'm going area equals just s squared. The opposite of squaring is square rooting. So yes, the side is 5. Now you could have done it this way. That's a rectangle. Area equals length times width. So 25 equals length times 5 divided by 5. Both sides. Length is 5. So yeah, I guess it's not. It's more than a rectangle, it's a square, so I guess you could have done that either way, right? Number 12, that's a rectangle, so area equals length times width. They give you the area, they don't give you the length, they give you the width. Divide both sides by 10, 14 goes in, n equals 14 centimeters. Number 15, that's a square, a equals s squared. This is what I'm talking about. A equals 1.9 squared, a equals 3.61 yards squared. Number 18, that's a rectangle. A equals LW, a equals 4 times 3.2, a equals 12.8 meters squared. Number 21, they gave you the length and width, so they must be talking about a rectangle. And so formula, substitute, a equals 32 inches squared. And 24, a equals LW. They give you the area, they gave you the length. So you divide both sides, you leave WW. So width is 12 yards. And then got a couple word problems. So I drew the picture as they're talking. I draw the picture, and a equals s squared. A equals 30 squared. It's 900 inches squared. So you need 900 tiles, since they're 1 inch squared. Each tile is 1 square inch. I didn't bother showing any work for that or doing any work, because it's just kind of seemed duh to me. Here I drew the picture. And so here's for 1 tree, so for 2 trees would just be 2. Pi times diameter is 3, and that's why I have that. should have waited till I was just done and then just multiplied by 2, but 2 times 3 is 6, and so I just multiplied that. So, I don't know, you could have just found the circumference of one tree and then doubled it at the end. Either way is fine.